What's up, guys? Welcome back to an all new exciting episode with your boy Salomon from Ariel Studios, and today I'm going to be showing you exciting new AI features on Adobe Premiere Pro 2024. First up, I have two sequences that have been created already for you guys, and I'm going to be showing you the first feature. Okay, so this is a video that has already been edited and exported. So assuming you have a video that has been edited and exported and you want to rebuild the edits, or change edits forms or portions of your edits, and you don't have the individual clips, or you don't have the project anymore, or you just take up a video and you want to edit just portions of it. Instead of actually going through and cutting scene by scene, you can just come over to the video and right click and scene edits detection, and make sure create bin of sub clips from each detected cut point is selected. Now by default this might be selected, but I do not want it to apply cuts on the video. Okay, so once that is detected, or you are satisfied with what you have picked on the output, you analyze and just let the computer do its thing. The AI picks up those points and creates those clips for you and cuts them, and puts them into separate clips into a bin. Okay, now it's done, and you can find out that a new bin has been created right here, and there are tons of clips. Okay, so you can see I could select each one, and yeah, so those are each of the clips, and I could just begin to just drag them and just drag them into the sequence and modify the edits, and that works really nice. All right, the next feature I'd want to show you guys is on this particular sequence. Okay, so I have you could notice that there is a music file here, and then there is a dialogue. You can find out that on this side here I have the essential sound panel that is activated. If you do not have this, by default you wouldn't have this, so you head over to window and make sure essential sound is selected, and that comes up. The good thing is you could basically select your dialogue and tag them, assign this to dialogue manually, and then select this and select music, and it tags that as music. All right, so I'm just going to clear that. Now if you want to automatically do that, you select all your audio files on all your tracks and auto tag, and basically in just a few seconds it has that sorted out for you. So you can see that it's already set that, right? So I could just select the music and it selects the music for me. I deselect that and select the dialogue, and it selects all the dialogue tracks. So you see it's really accurate, and Adobe Premiere Pro just does that for you with AI. Okay, so that saves tons of time, or you could decide to do that manually if the detection doesn't come up as accurate as you want it to be. All right, so next thing is you can find out that on this video the audio track is like way longer than the video. Now I want to normally conventionally you would just drag to that, and most times it doesn't really have that smooth conclusion. Okay, so I'm going to undo that quickly, and you come over to your ripple edit tool. You can find out that my ripple remix tool is selected, but if you do not have that selected by default, you will click on the ripple edit tool and hold. That's a left click and hold, and select your remix tool. And once you select your remix tool, all you need to do would be to drag that to the duration of your video, or somewhere around there. Yeah, and automatically it just picks portions of the audio and it pieces it together, so it has this smooth transition that you do not notice that it's a different file. So it literally remixes the audio and blends it to the duration. Okay, so we could play that and see that these are pieces where the audio is stitched together. Audio is stitched together at this point, and it's really seamless. Okay, do let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. I would be here waiting to give you answers. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe if you love what we're doing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.